Hey y'all, it's me and Passion Twist Hair and me with Ambunu Leave In Conditioner and me and Blue Magic Grease. And if you are interested in finding out how I was able to do these passion twists with these items, please stay tuned. All right, so as you can see, I did my hair in some passion twists, and I'm going to show you some clips right now on how I was able to achieve this style. This is what the hair looks like. I'm going to have like a little ombre color. 7 packs of hair came in this package. They also gave me this. This is a latch hook, everyone. I don't know why people are calling them crochet hooks, but this is actually called a latch hook. And they also sent these jewels. I can put these on Bixby and some rubber bands. I will put the price of this hair right here on the screen so that you can see it. I'm going to go ahead and do my hair. Got my grease. I'm going to use this in my scalp. This is new from my Natural My Choice Nettle Lavender Scalp Tonic. I'm going to use that. I'm going to use some water. I'm going to go ahead and use this as my leave-in conditioner. Ambunu Leave In Conditioner from Chebe USA. I will not be purchasing this again. I don't like the smell. It really reminds me of the Chebe. And here's the ingredients. The ingredients are really, really good ingredients, almost identical to the ingredients that's in the deep conditioner. But yeah, my hair really loves aloe vera juice, so I'm sure my hair will love this as well. I just don't like the smell. I got a comb for parting. I got my Felicia Leatherwood brush, a rubber band, some clips to hold my hair. This t-shirt is just to kind of wipe my hands and that kind of stuff. I've got a mirror right there, as you can see. Hello, hello. And I'm gonna watch something on TV. I don't know yet what I'm gonna watch, but I'm gonna watch something on TV. So let me go ahead and get my hair done. I'll be back. Well, I did all of my hair except for this area right here. Here I do want to show you how to put the passion twists in your hair. It's very easy. All you have to do is part it, braid it at the roots, and then twist the end. Do is spray with some water first. Make sure you get it nice and moisturized because your hair is going to be in this protective style for a while. Then you want to part it, or you can use your fingers, whichever way you want to part. Sometimes I use my fingers, sometimes I use the comb. It just all depends. And what I like to do is I like to dry my hands off first. And this is just an old t-shirt. This is the t-shirt that I used to dry my hair off with. Dry my hands off and get the hair prepared. So for each passion twist, I use 2 strands of hair. So here we go. Here's 2 strands of hair. And I just like to stretch it a little bit. Just stretch it out, fluff it out. Whatever way is easiest for you to fluff it. You could do it that way if you want. Whatever way. Just fluff it a little bit. Very easy. Simple. Fluff it. And I just like to do that before I get my hands all wet. I've been spraying this in my scalp. Next is the Ambunu Leave In. I put a generous amount of this in my hair because, again, your hair is going to be in this protective style for a while. So you want to make sure that you put a like to detangle. I like to make sure that every strand is covered. And then I'm going to seal it all in with this Blue Magic grease. This amount first. I'm going to put some more in. That's not all I'm going to put in. Again, your hair is going to be in this protective style for a while. And although I will be spritzing my hair, freshening up my hair, doing my edges, that kind of stuff, I still want to make sure that my hair stays moisturized. And literally, all you do is braid the roots. That's all I'm doing, just braiding. And then you get, a couple of braids down, just start twisting. And let's see, I started my hair about 4:30, and then I stopped at 9 to work on uploading that video. Then I came back at about 11:30, almost 12 really. Yeah, it was closer to 12. So how many hours is that? So it took me about 5.5, 6 hours to do my hair. It's ridiculous. This will stay in for a month. Braid it, twist it. There you go. And see, you can just part it with your fingers if you want. It's all up to you. Spray my scalp. Put the leave-in in. Oops. A nice, generous amount of leave-in. And lots of grease to seal it in. And this looks like I'm putting in a lot. And that's because I am. I am putting in a lot. Just braiding the root. That's all I'm doing. Braiding at the root. My real hair made the third leg. Okay? Braid the root. And then twist. That's all I'm doing. If you need more product, just go like that. Take it on down. So I think I got 2 more braids to go, and then I am all done, and then I am going to bed. Let me get my hair ready before I get my hands greasy. Very, very easy style to do. Just keep practicing, keep practicing. Deja was able to do her own hair, and she did an excellent job. She looked so cute with her hair like this. So if Deja can do it, anybody can. The hair is 22 inches long, and it is in the color of T30. So here you have the 1B shade, and then down here, it's kind of like an ombre giving you the T30 shade. 7 packs of hair came in the package, and I'm going to go ahead and put right here the price. I got it off of Amazon, and I actually have 1 pack of hair left and a few stragglers. And this is good to have some extra hair left because you will need to refreshen your roots. You will need to spritz your roots with some type of moisturizer. And if you like to moisturize your scalp with a oil, you'll need to do that as well. Sometimes the hair will slip, so you may need to either put that hair back in or put in a new strand of hair. So this is what it looks like. And I did cut it, by the way. But this is what it looks like. It's pretty long. It was a lot longer. I'm just not into having my hair all the way down to my butt. I am 6 foot. I think I'm 6'1", 6'2", but according to my children, I am not that tall and I am shrinking. So depending on your height and the length of your neck, that's where your hair will be. So some of the benefits of using the Ambunu, it's supposed to really add a good sheen to your hair. It's supposed to help your hair get stronger, thicker, prevents hair fall, prevents dry scalp. I see a lot of people here on YouTube who rave about it. I did not like this scent at all. However, I went to church today and I got so many compliments. Then we went to the grocery store. I got more compliments there. My mom rode in the car with me and she did not say that I stank. So clearly it is okay to use this. The smell obviously has dissipated and it is not as strong as before. Before, I did say that I would not purchase this again, and depending on how moisturized my hair stays, I might go ahead and purchase it again. Really did pair very well with the grease, but I put a lot in, and you can't even tell that I put a lot in. It doesn't even feel really greasy, but it just looks really nice, and I'm happy that I picked this color, and I'm happy that I am actually trying something new for my hair. And I'm hoping that my hair stays moisturized in this protective style. Will follow up and do another video before I take these out so that you can see the difference between day 1 of having passion twists in your hair and day 30 of having passion twists in your hair. But yeah, I am really happy with this style and how it turned out. I just have it pinned back because it gets in my face and I don't really like my hair being in my face, and I don't like doing that and doing all this kind of stuff. Like, that's just ridiculous. So that's why I kind of like to pin it back. What do you think? What do you think about these? Oh boy. Here's a better look at my hair. All right, that is it for this video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so that you are notified when I upload a video. Leave me a comment down below. Have you tried Ambunu? Are you interested in trying Ambunu? What do you think? Do you think that it's going to last? Is it going to keep my hair moisturized? Do you think that the grease will go ahead and seal in all of the Ambunu that I put in my hair? Let's have a conversation down below. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.